Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase on desktop browser, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred desktop browser. In the address bar, type in www.coinbase.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Coinbase website. On the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a login code from Coinbase. Open the email and find the verification code. Return to the Coinbase login page. Input the verification code in the provided field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a prompt to enter your code. Access your authentication app or SMS for the code. Enter the two-factor authentication code on the login page. Once you've filled in all required information, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the system to verify your credentials. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Coinbase dashboard. Here, you can securely manage your cryptocurrency transactions. Always ensure you log out if you are using a public or shared computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.